Hey boys and girls, would you like to learn how to draw the mixed-up chameleon? Just watch. Hey boys and girls, welcome back to Mr. Smith's Art Room for Kids. Today I'm going to show you how to draw the mixed-up chameleon, which is a character from Eric Carle's book, The Mixed-Up Chameleon. It's a wonderful story about a chameleon that wants to be almost every animal in the zoo until he finally finds out there's nothing better to be than to be yourself. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to draw it here in Mr. Smith's Art Room for Kids. To start drawing the chameleon, I'm going to start over here near the top. I'm going to make a line that looks like a smiling face. Now what I'm doing first is the chameleon's head. And now I'm going to make a curving line and another curving line and let them meet. It's going to kind of look like a mask. I'm going to put two circles. Count with me. 1, 2. Now I'm going to put two smaller dots, one toward the top and one toward the bottom, because he's the mixed-up chameleon. Doesn't exactly know who he wants to be. All right, now I'm thinking of a number. It's not 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. What comes after 5? Did you say 6? You are correct. I'm going to draw the number 6, and it's going to help us to make the chameleon's body. I'm going to start almost at the top, and I'm going to go out, around, back down, curve it up. I'm going to curve around. We're doing his tail. And now I'm going to double my 6 and come back around and slowly get wider, wider. And I'm going to come in around just under his eye, just like that. All right, he kind of looks like a snake, but he's a chameleon. He is a lizard. Now, I need to make 8 straight lines. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, now we're going to put toes on there. He has 4 toes on each leg. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Join them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Join them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Join them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And join them. All right. Now we're going to separate his body, because each part we are going to turn that into a different color. And we're going to also be using Mr. Smith's 1-stroke or 2-stroke method to add color. Now I'm going to make his tongue. It's coming out real fast, and I'm going to curve it. And now I'm going to make the fly. The fly is going to be nothing but circles and ovals. Circle, oval, oval. His wings, oval, oval. 2 lines there for his legs, 2 lines there, and his antennas. All right, now I'm going to make an horizon line. And horizon line is a line that separates the sky from the ground. All right, over here, I think I'm going to make a rainbow. And coming over top of the rainbow will be a nice bright sun, some beautiful puffy clouds, and I think we're ready to start adding color. Now, one thing I always like to stress is making sure that you keep your caps on the back of your marker. That way, when you're done, you can take them off, put them back on, press them, you will hear a snap. And that keeps them fresh and makes them last a long time. But what I am doing is leaving in the description of my video where you can get some more markers, because I do know that markers wear out even if you take good care of them. So let's get started. I'm going to start right here in the middle. I'm going to use my one stroke method, and I told you previously, if you've been with me in my other videos, now when I go back and forth, that's the two stroke method. When I just go down and start up again, that's one stroke. But you see, I'm taking my time, I'm letting my strokes overlap, and the only white that is coming through is the white that is on the very end, right there. And now I'm going to go across and fill that in. Okay, boys and girls, I'm done. What do you think? Did I do a good job? I bet you did a great job. I can't wait to see what some of your artwork looks like. So I hope you do the Mixed-Up Chameleon, follow my video, have your parents take a picture, send it in to Mr. Smith's Art Room for Kids, and I will post it in my gallery. I can't wait to see what you did. Hey, boys and girls. I'm so glad that you came back to Mr. Smith's Art Room to learn how to draw the chameleon. Next week, we're going to have a brand new animal, so I want you to make sure that you subscribe, click the bell so you get notifications, tell your parents, and one last thing. When you do these drawings, have your parents take a picture and send it to my email address, which is in the description, and I will post your pictures on my Instagram site. I would just love for the world to be able to see the kids that do drawings in Mr. Smith's Art Room. So please send them in. I can't wait to see what you have done. Bye-bye.